Welcome back, everyone. Just a really quick update, I promise, this week. I'm not going to do a 30-minute video about everything. So it's Thursday, just a couple days passed since my last update, but I've got a lot done in the yard. Stained the deck and the fence, so that's a pretty big job. I didn't film it. There's lots of content out there on YouTube for you guys to watch as it relates to the deck. But what I did want to talk about today was just a little bit more about the California trimmers. I've got a couple questions on YouTube, and I've seen some questions also on some of the social networks out there, and I just thought I would address it in a video. Regarding the California trimmers' ability to free wheel without engaging the actual tire itself, or the drive wheel, can you mow with it like that? And the answer is absolutely, you can. When you engage the wheel, it also engages the actual reel itself to cut. However, if you lift that wheel up, it freely spins, but you're free to move the mower around how you want. So like in this video here, you can see here I've engaged the wheel. You can see as I give it the throttle to drive the wheel, it pushes it forward and the reel's cutting. But as I disengage or lift the wheel off the ground and now engage the throttle, the reel is moving, the wheel is moving, but because it's not driving it forward, I'm free to move it back and forth, which is nice when you're in kind of tight spots. One thing I would say though, it does not necessarily cut as good going backwards because of the way that the bed knife works. So just keep that in mind. If you're probably cutting in taller grass, it's probably not going to work very well. If you keep your grass cut pretty short, I think you're going to find it works pretty well. Speaking of short, here's the grass. As you can see, it's pretty short. Probably just a little under that knuckle, but it's filling in pretty nice. And that's probably what, the third or fourth cut we've given it this year. So that's the update. Like I said, I was going to keep it simple, try to address a couple things. Got some video here for those that want to stick around and watch me mowing from some different angles. Outside of that, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend. I hope all you mothers have a happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you next week or the week after in the lawn.